Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this beautiful kinky curly wig. It is, I think it's either 6x6 or 5x5. As you can see, the parting is very long, and to be honest guys, when I just got this wig I was kind of skeptical about it because I don't know, I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but after defining the curls I ended up really loving it. I know for sure if I'm supposed to wear this wig out, I will definitely have to keep wetting it for it to look, you know, this luxurious. But at the same time it does look good dry as well, because as you can see, like you guys saw how it looked before I actually defined the curls. But me personally, I love how it looks when it's more defined, but it also looks good when it's dry as well. But yeah, before I jump into the installation of this wig, and before I show you guys how I end up getting this look, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So we all know Luvmehair and their packaging. This is what the wig came in, and inside the box they sent me some clip to use for installing your wig. They sent me some comb. I did use the comb because this comb, the pointing, yeah, the pointing is pointing. Like it really parts my hair very clean. They also sent me some scarf to put on my baby hairs to help like lay my wig down when I'm installing it. They sent me the bag to put the wig in. They also sent me some stocking cap, but it's too dark for my skin tone, so no. What else? Oh, I think they also sent me I think it's a curling iron slash hot comb. So they gave me like two what's it called, like two, actually, oh my gosh, so never mind, it's not even just one, but it's actually 3 different parts of the, oh my gosh, I didn't even see this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so they actually sent me a flat iron, they sent me the hot comb, and they also sent me the curling iron. So I got a 3-in-1 hot equipment. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see this. So we can all, I could change out whatever, I could change out each of them. So if I'm supposed to straighten my hair, then I have the straightener. If I'm supposed to use the hot comb, then I have the hot comb. And if I'm supposed to curl my hair, I have this. This is so cute, and it's pink. It's my favorite color. I didn't even see this. This is so exciting. Anyways, so yeah, they sent me these, and I think it's just their information card. Yeah, just their information card. So, but oh my goodness, I didn't realize I got this hot tool. I'm so excited. But anyways, that's it for the packaging. If you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Go, baby, at last to my body so crazy, baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. it together. Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey. Told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the ache in you, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You play me. You my heart is one for this can't be our first time. We my heart for this different show. Looking for some things that I've never. You got that shit with somebody to love for the bonfire. You my heart is one for this can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, for the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it none of these niggas no more. If we hopping the fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, and I think I have a coupon code, so it will also be down in the description box as well. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. Bye.